Hi all, welcome to this video module on Bohr's complementary principle. We all learned about many ideas and phenomena regarding matter. We know that light consists of particle behavior and wave behavior, or we learned like light possesses dual nature. So the fact that light consists of particles or particle behavior of light is necessary to understand some phenomena such as photoelectric effect, Compton effect, etc. So in explaining this phenomena, we considered the particle behavior of light, totally keeping the wave behavior away. On the other hand, in order to explain phenomena like interference, diffraction, etc., we have to use the wave behavior of light, completely disregarding the particle behavior. In the same way, particles such as electrons or matter such as electrons, protons, neutrons, etc., which are normally considered as particles, but now we know that they behave or they possess a wave behavior also, that we learned in some of the previous video modules on de Broglie concept of matter waves. Okay, so materials or material matter such as electron, proton, neutron, etc., they normally we know that they are particles, but they also possess wave behavior. When considering the particle behavior, they require localization. That means they occupy a particular position at a particular instant of time. But on the other hand, a wave extends over certain region. So we use the particle nature or wave aspect or both to understand a physical phenomenon. Whether it is regarding light, I mean light or any radiation, or it is with respect to particles. So both the phenomena, wave nature and particle nature, are used to explain physical phenomena. But the thing is that at a time, or in order to explain one phenomena, we are using only one nature. These two nature or wave nature and particle nature are not simultaneously used for explaining any phenomenon. So in a physical situation in which a physical entity exhibits wave properties completely, it is possible to attribute the particle characteristics to it, and in reverse also. This idea is known as Bohr's complementarity principle, that states that the wave and particle aspects of matter are complementary, both equally essential for a full description of a physical phenomenon. You know, the idea of complementarity does not mean that the two behaviors are contradictory, because to explain the results in quantum world, we need both these behaviors. Okay, so Bohr's complementarity principle states it actually related to the dual nature of radiation and matter. Okay, so in explaining one physical phenomena, we are using particle nature as well as wave nature. So these two are complementary to each other. When one in some cases, in some phenomena, we use the wave nature of radiation or matter, and in some phenomena we use the particle nature of matter or radiation. Okay, so I hope you got some idea regarding Bohr's complementary principle. Okay, Thank you.